How to change your YouTube download quality easy and fast. So first thing, hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change and edit your YouTube download quality easy in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to YouTube, and now this is the home page. As you can see right here, go to the top right here and click on your profile picture, and here you will find many options. Just go down and click on the settings option here, and here you will find also many options, or what you have to do is go to downloads option. Now here you will find download quality. Just click on it and set your download quality as you want. For example, I'm gonna choose full HD, as you can see, and it's updated easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.